get my trusty stud finder out. Here's my stud finder. And sometimes the battery doesn't want to work on it because I don't use it every day. Come on. Here it goes. I slide it over. See that red? That tells me I'm right to the edge of the stud. See how it kind of goes up? I want to check it a few times. When it starts showing red and then it goes up to green, see there? That's where the edge of the stud is, and then it's there over to the left because I'm sliding this to the left. Right at this point, right in the middle of there, is the edge of the stud, and then it goes over to the left 1.5 inches. Okay? And I can check that by coming over this way, and there's nothing there, and then it starts. See right there? It's right there, and then it's from there over to the right because I slid it that way. You got to try it a couple times because if you hit a wire in the wall, what this does is shows a blockage inside the wall, and that's what you're trying to find.